Welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together vegan avocado, banana, almond pancakes. This recipe is appropriate for babies starting from 6 months of age. It's a lovely breakfast snack, baby-led winning idea for your little ones, and also is part of a new series of weight-gaining recipes for little ones, where all the recipes they're made with ingredients that are high in calories and at the same time high in nutrients, because it's the combination of high calories and high nutrients that will help your baby gaining weight in a healthy and proper way. Let's start this super simple recipe. We are going to add all the ingredients in a blender, starting from the flour and then adding the almond meal, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, maple syrup. Remember, if you're preparing this recipe for babies from 6 to 12 months, you can skip the maple syrup because it's super good and nutritious, but it's added sugar. And instead of the maple syrup, simply pick a banana that is very ripe. So the more brown dots, the better, because it means that the sweeter will be. We are also going to add coconut oil, hemp seeds for extra omega-3s, coconut milk, avocado, and a ripe banana. Blend up until smooth, like that. Now, like for any other pancake recipe, we are going to heat a small pan or a small skillet at medium heat for 30 seconds, and we're going to pour 1 tablespoon of the mix. Let it cool for 1 minute to 2 minutes. When you will see that the edges will start being cooked, it's time to flip our pancake on the other side and keep cooking for another minute. You can stack the pancakes one on top of the other to keep them warm and fluffy, and serve them with some fresh fruit or berries. Also optional, you can add some chopped berries in the batter and cook them in the pancakes to give an extra texture to your baby food. The pancakes are so soft that they can be broken in small pieces and be served to babies, even starting from 6 months of age. Whatever is left can be frozen in the freezer for up to 1-2 months. And my suggestion is to divide the leftover pancakes with some parchment paper in between them, so that if you want to tow only one pancake, it will be easy to be removed. How to tow pancakes? That's what I do. I place the pancake in the microwave for 30 seconds so that it will tow inside. And then I place it in the toaster for another minute, so it will be nicely and warm all around. So in 1 minute and 30 seconds, your pancake will be ready to be served. I really hope you like this recipe. If you're looking for similar gait-waning recipes for little ones, check all the links in the area here below. And this is also where you can leave me comments, and most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. Every week you will receive from me a new recipe. See you next week. Ciao, ciao, ciao.